everyone. We're here guys in the park. We're here at the park. Yan si Akong si Grandpa. So we're just drinking some, mine is like Yakult. Grandpa's there. Pinapaarawan ko siya. Pero sa umaga guys, pinapaarawan ko siya sa umaga after shower. Hello guys, we're still here. We have to turn around. Just finish the drink. It's still recording. We're still here. Yeah, we just want to finish. I just want to finish, Grandpa, these drinks. And then we have to turn around, walking, and then going back home. I cannot take exercise because I'm full. This is a quite bit bigger. See? And do some exercise. But I'm full. I'm waiting Grandpa will finish his drink and then we can continue walking. The fast swimming duck. Go, 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 go. Go, duck. Fast. Apa yan ba? Yung ibang ducks doon. Hello guys, nakauwi na kami ng alaga ko guys. Ito lang yung nabili ko guys, aking apple. 5 pieces ay 100 to. 5 pieces 120. Tapos itong banana 2, 4, 6 pieces guys ay 20 to 20. Ang mahal guys ang prutas. Sobrang mahal.